we're looking at this LeetCode problem 12, integer through Roman, 7 different symbol represent Roman numeral in the following value: 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. Roman numerals are formed by appending the conversion of a decimal place value from highest to lowest, converting the decimal place value into Roman numerals as the following rules. If the value does not start with 4 and 5, 4 or 9, select the symbol with the maximum value that can be subtracted from the input. Append the symbol to the result. Subtract the value and convert the remaining to the decimal number. If the value starts with 4 or 9, subtract the form representing one symbol subtracted from the following symbol. For example, 4 is I less than 5, so it's I5. 9 is 1 less than 10, that's 1x. One of the following subtractive forms can be used: 4, 9, 40, 90, 400, 900. Only power of 10 can be appended uh, consecutively at most 3 times to represent the multiple of 10. You cannot append 5, 50 and 500 multiple times if you need to append such a symbol. Append a symbol 4 times, use subtractive form. So there is the example of it, and this is 3749. So we have to start off with a dictionary string int and we need to add these values in. Let's see if I can add this in. We're gonna do it backwards. The highest first, because of the way the decimal system works. So we'll take out the thousands first, compare, and then the rest. X, so this is 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, and 500. Now the thing is, there's some values missing from here. For example, we have the 4 and the 9, so we'll add those as well, and say CM is 900. CD is 400. XC is 90. XL is cell 40, and we have to get 9 y-axis, 9, and 4. Let's have a variable result. Result. So what we're going to do is for each item dict. So we want to check if so we want to divide the values. So what we need to do is basically get a count variable. We want to see if we want to just divide the values, the numbers. So for example, we want to divide 3000 by 1000. So that's going to be the first value, is equal to num divided by item dot val, that is value, and then what we do is for int I 0 I less than count plus plus, so result plus equal to item dot key. So basically, you can see from this example, 3000 is made up of 1000 3 times. So to get when we divide it, we'll get 3. So just to get these 3 m's, we we loop through it and append them, and then the next step is this value, the maximum value, can be subtracted from the input and appended to the result. So that's going to be num minus equal item or value into count. This is equal to doing something like num mod item value, because we just want to get the remainder of it. So in this example, it's just 3000. So we'll get 1000 into 3, and we'll get 3000, and we'll get the 749 this way. An added check we can have here is if num item dot value is not equal to 0. So if it's so if there's a value there, then you just look through it. Otherwise, just ignore it. Just that a bit. And so in this example, it'll take 1000 first. It'll get a count 3. It'll add append m 3 times, and then it'll get 3000 and subtract it with num. We'll have 700 and 749. It'll come to 900. It'll ignore that, go over 500, and then it'll get 1. It'll append C, subtract 500 from it. Then it'll get 200, and divide that by ignore the 400. it'll divide by 100 by I'll divide the 200 by 100, then you get 2 C's. Then you get 49. It'll ignore these guys, and then subsequently add the rest. Let's just see if there are any errors in the code. So we're able to get the basic test cases. Let's just submit this.